Okay, good afternoon. Withdrawal. May mga nagtatanong na kung paano mag-withdraw. So, let's just say we withdraw natin itong 587 na to. So, punta ka doon sa ID. Kung gusto mong ilagay dito yung GCash mo, yan, drop down. Punta ka ng setting. Hanapin nyo yung withdrawal info. So, yung withdrawal info na yan, dyan nyo ilalagay kung gusto nyo yung GCash, bank account, ayun. Pwede nyo ilagay dyan. So, ayan. Dito, mayroong local currency bank. Dito kayo maglalagay ng inyong mga preferred kung saan nyo gustong mag-withdraw or mag-deposit. Ayan. Dito, pwede kang mag-add daw. Kaya lang nakatatlo na. Kaya hindi na pwede. So, I have my 3 account number. Isa dito ay GCash. Itong nasa una. Isa ay Metrobank. Alam ko isa BPI. Yan. Pag okay na yan, na-set mo na, na-add mo na, punta ka na ng withdrawal. Yan. Punta ka ng withdrawal. And then, trading account. For example, yan. Hanapin mo asan yung saan mo i-withdraw. Manggagaling. And then, withdrawal method, sabi niya, no? So, local, ayan, So, local currency bank transfer. And then, pindutin mo yung channel. It's either GCash, BPI, or Metrobank. Ayan, yung mga bank account. And then, CAPTCHA. And then, I have read and understood the withdrawal policy. So, yun yung gagawin. Pag nagawa mo na yan, then submit. Submit. So, ayan, nalagay ko na, again, MT4, kung saan manggagaling yung fund na i-withdraw mo. Local currency bank transfer, either GCash. GCash ang pinili ko, then nilagay ko kung magkano. And then yung equivalent, 34,000. And then, CAPTCHA. And then, I have read and understood the withdrawal policy. Ano ba yung withdrawal policy? Ito, if the amount of a single withdrawal is equal to or less than 50, handling fee of $5. Kung mas mababa raw sa $50, ayun, medyo meron siyang bayad na $50. More than $50, so safe. So, this is 580, so wala akong dapat bayaran, So, ito may mga other policy. A 5% handling fee of the withdrawal amount will apply if there has no been trading activities after the latest deposit or transfer fund. Bawa, nag-deposit ka. Tapos, withdraw mo kagad, di mo pa ginagamit. May handling fee na 5%. So, ayan yung mga other, pakibasa na lang to, para, napaka-importante niya mga yan. Kaya, kailangan mabasa nyo yan. Yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, please read and para at least aware kayo doon sa pinapasok nyo. Although our forex broker is safe, pero iba pa rin yung alam nyo kung ano yung ginagawa nyo. And then when it is set, pindutin nyo na yung submit. Tulad nito, isasubmit ko talaga to. Okay? Submit. So, ayan, lumabas naman pala yung GCash ko dito. So, okay na rin. GCash lang naman yan, Okay? So, reviewin nyo kung ano yung, reviewin nyo yung details yan, trading account, ito yung balance, and then withdrawal method, local bank, Frederick Surla, address, postal code, via GCash, ito yung GCash number ko, SWIFT code, ayan. So, sa SWIFT code, ask Ma'am Liz about dito kung paano gagawin. Nag-withdraw ko ng 580, that is 34,000. And then, pag na-review nyo, submit nyo. Basahin nyo mabuti yung mga nakikita nyo dyan bago ko nyo mag-submit. Ayan, okay, submit. Submitted successfully. check my transaction. Ayan siya, no? So, ayan yung transaction ko, no? 580, withdrawal, pending, ano? Kasi, syempre, kasasubmit lang natin. So, then wait for the email, ano? Sa mga email, mag-i-email sila about confirmation na okay na yung withdrawal natin. That's all for withdrawal, no? Good luck everyone, and I hope na yung inyong mga trading account is lumaki and makapag-withdraw kayo kahit na hindi naman milyon-milyon, at least something na makapag-motivate sa inyo para magtuloy-tuloy kayong mag-trade.